Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and if you're new, welcome. My name is Sidia and I do hair videos, makeup videos, and a little bit of fashion. So if you haven't subscribed to my channel, please hit that subscribe button as well as the notification bell button to get notified whenever I post new videos. So yeah, so today I'm going to show you how I got this hair color. Let me tell you something. I think this is my best hair coloring job I've ever done. Like, this took some time. It took me 3 days to do this. So this video is sponsored by WowEbony Hair Company. Listen, this is the best wig I've ever received from any company whatsoever. Like the quality of the hair, it didn't shed, and this is in the Yaki texture. I'm gonna have all the link in the description bar so you can check it out. But I'm telling you guys, this is, first of all, I didn't have to do nothing to this hair. The only thing I did was color this hair. But I didn't pluck it. I didn't bleach the knots. I didn't put on no elastic band. I didn't do anything to customize it. It was already customized, and it has its own elastic band where you can remove and you can make it tighter. And the packaging for this company is amazing. I'll insert clips so you guys can see it. Like, normally, because I'm like a 21 or 20-inch circumference wig, so normally the wigs are a little bit big, and then I cut my hair, so it's like I really have no hair on my head now. But this is like fit to gloves. I love the density. It's not too thick, and girl, I'm just telling you, please check out this company. I'm not even kidding. I'm not exaggerating. It's the best company I've ever worked with. From I'm doing reviews on hair and stuff, and it took the color well. It took the color well, and it's not damaged. I bleached this like 3 times, I think. Yeah, was it 3? Yeah, I think it was 3 times. No, 2 times, and it took the color well. And I love the undertone of the colors. Like, oh my god. So yeah, I don't want to ramble too much. I'm getting too excited. So let's get into the video so you guys can see how I got this color. So yeah, bye.
So guys, I'm showing you how the wig looks and like the elastic bands and clips that comes in it. So I'm gonna remove all the clips that comes with it, and these are the products that I'm gonna use. They're gonna be in the description bar as well, and I'm showing you the sectioning as well. This is a subsection. If you watch my last video doing a balayage, because I'm doing a balayage again, I do like a triangle subsection. So there's diagonal section on one side, diagonal section on the other side, and then a straight section on the top. So I do that all throughout the back section of the hair, and this will help the color to blend seamlessly, and there's no line of demarcation. So I apply the product upwards whenever I want to blend, and downwards whenever I'm just, you know, applying like regular. Okay, so when I'm doing the balayage, I'm putting the product on the top layer of the hair. I do not saturate the product all the way in the hair. Okay, so I wanted the money piece at the front. I call these the money piece because it frames the face, and I wanted the 2 light piece at the front. So I stop for a minute around the back, and I go around the front to take out a 1-inch section from each side, and I put that in forward because I wanted that to, you know, process while I'm doing the rest of the hair, so it can be as lighter than the rest of the hair. So now I'm at the front, and I'm still taking diagonal section, and I'm still doing the same pattern, like applying the products. And yeah, so after I finish, I let that sit for like probably 40 minutes, I think, and I rinse it out, and then I went in with Wella T18 and a 20 volume developer, and I am toning the hair. So when I use that now, for some reason that toner took out all the black out of the hair and turned it into gold, not gold, into like a level 6, and I wasn't going for that. I really wasn't going for that. I wanted the darkness to be still in the hair, because I already have a brunette wig with highlights and stuff, so I didn't want that. So I went in with this color. I used the 4NN for the roots, and I alternate between the 8NN and the 5NN, and I also add some bleach to, you know, lighten some of the parts that were brown. So that's what I did all through the hair. I did the same sectioning. That's what I did when I was doing balayage. So I just took out random pieces and just put some of the dark color back and add some lightener as I go as well to add some lighter pieces. So after I finished with that, I went in and I toned the hair. I don't remember the products that I used, and I think I threw away the box for some reason. I'm so sorry, but I went in and I toned the hair, and I'm gonna put the products on the screen as well as in the description bar. But I know I use a Wella Demi permanent color. So I went in and I toned the hair, and I let that sit for like probably 20 minutes on the hair, and then this is how I got the color that I have right now. I hope I explained it enough for you guys to be able to recreate the look as well as I get an understanding of what I was doing. So yeah, I have nothing else to say. So take care guys, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye.